y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be cooking some fried ribs, some corn on the cob, some baked beans with some hot links in it, and we also going to make a potato salad. So those are some of the ingredients that I'll be using. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, now that I have my ribs all washed up and clean, I am going to start seasoning the ribs. As you see, this big slab right here, that big slab is going to go in the oven. So I'm using the Tony Creole. That gives meat a good flavor. And I also use some smoked paprika. It does nothing other than it gives it a great color to me. It doesn't have a taste to it. And here I'm using some of the adobo seasoning because that gives a great flavor. I love the flavor of the adobo. And next we're gonna use some accent because accent brings out all flavoring to me. I don't care what you put accent on, it is gonna give it a great taste. So I bought this marinade for the first time. It's Texas marinade. I dabbed my little pinky finger in it to see what type of flavor it was, and it tastes actually great. It was a good flavor to it. And you know you can't go wrong with a little mustard on your meat to bring all of those flavors together. So add your mustard. And I just mixed that up and put it in the refrigerator and went on to. Okay, so now I have my potatoes on and ready. So I'm just going to season my potatoes. And the only thing that I am going to put in the potatoes is just some old regular old salt. And I'm also going to put a little of this sassy over there. And just let that go ahead and cook. So here I have my corn on, and I am going to put some complete in here. And I'm also going to put a half a stick of butter in there, some milk, and that's probably a little less than a full cup of milk that I have just put in there. And I'm also going to put some regular white sugar in there. Just some regular old sugar. Let's see. And I'm also going to put some red pepper flakes in there also, if I can find them. Here they are, just some regular old red pepper flakes. And I'm just gonna let that cook. I have my eggs on for the potato salad. So we're gonna move on to the next step. Right now we're gonna start cooking the sausage for the baked beans. And what we're looking for on this is just browning a little bit. They can fully cook. Well, on the package it says fully cooked, but you have to use your own discretion on that. So I just want them lightly brown. Now we're starting on the baked beans. So I have the hot links in the baked beans. So now I'm just gonna start seasoning the baked beans. So I'm gonna put some mustard, some complete,
some adobo, some black pepper, some honey barbecue sauce, and some open pit thick and tangy. And I get the open pit from when I go home to visit my family in Milwaukee. I love open pit. Open pit, y'all rock. And some brown sugar. So the vegetables that I'll be putting in here, we're going to use some green onions, just a little, because we have the white onion that we're putting in here. We also have jalapeno peppers. Give it a little heat, and some bell pepper. And so that is all that we are going to put in here.
So I am so sorry. For some reason on this video, my audio kept going out, and so I had to do a voiceover, something I'm not used to doing. So if you would just look at the potato salad, I kind of sped it up a little bit, and just check out what I put in my potato salad. Like now I'm using the dill and some mayonnaise right here, some mustard, and now I'm going to use some sandwich spread because that is what I use in my potato salad all the time is sandwich spread. And I also use a little bit of ranch, that little taste, tangy taste that I put in my potato salad. And here I'm just adding some of my vegetables, which is my onions, my white onions, and my green onions. And I'm just gonna mix all of that up, give it a stir. And because I like my potato salad cold. Once I'm finished mixing that up, or if I need to add any more seasoning to it, I'll do that before putting it in the refrigerator to get cold. I don't know, some people like their potato salad warm. That is fine, but me, I like mine really, really chill. So once I'm done with this, stirring it up, I'll go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. And once again, I'm sorry about that audio.
Okay, so this is what I do with my corn. I just get a bag and I put some butter in it and I season it with some of this Creole seasoning. I put some of that in the bag. And I also put a little bit of this lemon pepper in here also. And I just take my corn after I drain my corn and I just put it over in the bag. That way my family don't have to do it individually. And I just, stir it around and let it get hot. And I'll set it aside, put it in the microwave until everyone is ready to eat. But that's just a little hack that I do so everybody won't have to do it individually. All on getting ready for the ribs that's done marinating that we did before. Getting ready to fry them. So in here I have flour and I also have some of this chicken fry in here. So I'm just waiting for that to get hot. So just regular old flour that I have in there. And I also put some of this accent. in there and some Creole seasoning, all in this bag right here. Down to the final batch of fried ribs. So we all done. My daughter don't like barbecue sauce on her ribs, so we have those ribs right there. The potato salad, the baked beans with the hot links, and remember that little hack I gave y'all with the corn? There, that is. Okay, y'all, we are all done with the fried ribs. We have the barbecue ones, and we also have the regular fried ribs. I hope y'all enjoy cooking with me. I hope you guys will subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to try this dish. Thank you again.